A lot of people ask me if hiccups or coughs or anything like that are considered tics. No, they are not, and let me tell you why. Although they are uncontrollable movements that your brain makes you do, they are not abnormal. A tic has to be an abnormal thing, so not a hiccup, not a cough, not a yawn, anything like that is normal for the human body, so they wouldn't be considered a tic. However, if you have lots of uncontrollable blinking and stuff like that, that could totally be a tic. But yes, coughing and yawning and hiccuping and things like that are not considered tics.